Hello and welcome. I'm Guillermo Lopez. This is my wife Helen. We're the owners of Lopez and Hurst Realty. And today we want to talk to you about buying your next investment property in Miami. And we think that the first thing that you need to establish is what your goals are. Whether you're looking to buy the property to rehab it and then resell it, or you're looking to buy the property to hold for rental income or tax deferred purposes.
So what can you tell them that will help them, if depending on whether they're looking for a property to rehab it and then resell it, what can you tell them to help them with that?
Well, if you're buying to resell and you're looking at entry-level neighborhoods, you're going to be buying a property that of course is going to cost less, and so the initial investment is going to be less. And once you rehab the property, the pool of potential buyers is going to be much larger, so you'll be able to sell it, to turn it around quicker. On the other hand, a more upscale neighborhood offers more stability. But the downside is that it will require more investment and the pool of available buyers will be a little smaller.
Another thing that investors look at also for property is a single home versus a condominium. What are the differences? What can we help them with?
When you're looking at a single family house, you're looking at exterior areas that do require rehabbing and attention. For instance, roof, exterior walls, you will require exterior painting most likely. Landscaping will also be required. As compared to a condominium where you're looking at four walls and nothing much that you have to do on the exterior, but you have to consider that you have to deal with an association, so they are going to have their rules and regulations which are going to restrict the way in which you are going to effect those repairs. For instance, in some cases, you will not be able to do any work on weekends. You would have some elevators that are going to be dedicated for your workers to use. Parking is also an issue, so these are things that you're going to have to determine.
I think another important factor is whether they're planning on keeping the property, for additional income and tax deferred purposes.
Well, if you're looking to keep properties for additional income and you're planning on renting them, again, when you're looking at an entry-level area, an area that is less expensive, you're going to have a large pool of applicants, which means you're going to be able to rent it faster, but the screening process is going to be more involved because we're going to have a larger amount of applicants. However, in Miami, the rental market is very strong, and in upscale neighborhoods, there is a lot of demand. So regardless of where you buy to hold and rent, I think the most important thing is to be able to market that at the going rental rate. You don't want to be above the what the going market rate is for that property.
Okay. I guess what we'd like to tell you is that if you're buying to fix and resell a house, we can help you locate the property. We can help you analyze its potential and
regardless of what your intentions are. Most of our work involves working with investors. Some of them want to go ahead, rehab it, and resell it for a profit. And if that's the case, we'll help them throughout the process. We will go ahead and locate the property, analyze the property's potential, supervise the rehabilitation process, and then find a buyer for them. If, on the other hand, they're looking to hold on to the property for a while, we would do the same. We would help them locate the property, analyze its potential, help them during the rehabilitation process, and then we would find a tenant
and manage it for
them. So the main thing to remember is that When you use Lopez and Hurst Realty, there are no worries. We'll handle it.
Please give us a call at 305-814-7631, or you can email us at lopez@lopezhurst.com. We would love to earn your business.
Thanks again.